All right, how's it going, folks? We're going to talk about the economy versus labor graph here, and I just want to draw out a quick view on how this looks. So when we look at a graph, the economy versus labor, okay, what you're going to see is as we go into a strong economy, we're going to see the labor market decline. And this is kind of what things have been over, the last, we've been kind of in a growth since 2010 and, over the last 10 years since, obviously there was COVID and there was a couple dips there right in March 2020, but we've pretty much been in growth since 2010. And now we're seeing a decline in the economy, okay? So what we should see from a graphical standpoint is we should be seeing, as the economy actually goes down, we should see labor go up. And so every single part of your business has seasons. And if you understand this, then you can prepare and you can move in the right way. So like for your moving business, it's going to get harder to what? Book moves. This is going to get harder. All right. But what will get a little bit better is the labor availability. As there is less work to do out in the economy, people will be more and more willing to do blue collar work and work more hours, right? They're going to be looking for ways to make money. But when the economy is great and there's tons of work, there's tons of options out there for people in the labor market. So understand what's going to be happening over, it's been happening here in 2022. It's going to continue to probably happen in 23, and it potentially could roll over into 2024. Generally, you're probably not going to see it be much longer than this time span. And then what will happen around 2024? Economy will go back up because we're going to see the economy move in that fashion. It's going to go up, and then it's going to go down, and then it's going to go up, and then it's going to go down. Okay, historically, it's always done this. From a employer standpoint, you need to know what you are up against. Over the last few years, you've been fighting the labor. Headed into 2023, 2024, you're fighting tooth and nail to get jobs. Labor's still going to be a difficult standpoint, but there's going to be more people available, which means it's a great time to go grab up great talent. And so you actually should lean into your labor a little bit because you'll be able to pick up some people who are very talented and you can hire them here in 2023, 2024. So you can recruit and snatch them up, and then they could stay with you as long as you have a good work environment, you treat them right, you have growth opportunities. They could stay with you for the next 5 to 10 years if you play your cards right. And so we're going to have a window of recruiting opportunity in this time frame. Because again, economy is going to go down, labor is going to go up, meaning labor availability. It's not going to be perfect. It never will be perfect. Not for, I don't know if it'll ever go back to being decent. But there's a window of opportunity, and this is something you want to capitalize on.